Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss why demand curve slope downward. Why demand curve slope downward. It is most important chapter of class 12, page number 18 and 19. What is the reason? You know very well when price increases. When price increases, demand decreases. Price decreases, demand increases. Why does demand curve slope downward? What is the reason? First reason is that law of diminishing marginal utility. First thing is that law of diminishing marginal utility. Law of diminishing marginal utility. What is law of diminishing marginal utility? No. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that with an increase in the income of a commodity consumed, every additional unit of the commodity gives lesser satisfaction to the consumer. In other words, marginal utility of the commodity falls with an increase in its consumption. A consumer will maximize his satisfaction when he equalizes the marginal utility of the commodity with its price. Okay, it means what? Marginal utility of a commodity is equal to marginal utility of a commodity is equal to, is it, marginal utility of a commodity is equal to price of the commodity. Price of the commodity. Price of the commodity. It means what? Try to understand. It means from the equilibrium condition, it follows that a consumer would purchase. Okay. A consumer would purchase a larger quantity of a commodity only when its price falls. What? A larger quantity of a commodity only when its price falls, because the marginal utility of additional unit falls. This is the explained in detail in chapter 3. Okay, this is chapter 2, page number 18 and 19. Okay, try to understand with example. Suppose I went to Rajasthan. You know very well, Rajasthan is called the third desert. I was traveling Rajasthan, and on that time weather was too hot. Okay, weather was too hot. I was very thirsty. I was searching for water one place to another place, but I did not get it. On that time, I saw an old man who was sitting with some glass of water. I told them, I need one glass of water immediately. Otherwise, I will die for water. Please give me one glass of water immediately. Okay? I was very thirsty. Then he told that you will have to pay over 5,000 rupees if you need one glass of water. Then I have told them, okay, I am giving you 5,000 rupees. Please take it. Immediately I have given him, because I was very thirsty on that time. I have paid 5,000 rupees on the spot. and he has given me a glass of water. For first glass, I paid rupees 5,000. Okay, for first glass I paid rupees 5,000 rupees. In spite of I was thirsty because weather was too hot. If I will get another one glass of water, then it will be better for me. Then I requested him, please give me another glass of water. Okay, then he again told me that, okay, you will have to pay 5,000 rupees. Okay, then I told them, it will take 4,000 rupees, then give me it. I will take it. Otherwise, I will not take it. Then I paid 4,000 rupees. Why 4,000 rupees for second glass? I paid 4,000 rupees. I drank the water immediately because I was very thirsty. Okay, the weather was too hot of Rajasthan. After drinking second glass, I requested again to an old man, please give me another one glass of water. Then he told me that you will have to pay 5,000 rupees. Then I will give you. Then I told them, if you will give me third glass of water, then I will pay you only 2,000 rupees. Only 2,000 rupees. Okay. If you will give me, then give. Otherwise, I am going to another village and I will drink it. Okay. Then he told me that, okay, stop. I am giving you. He is giving me third glass of water and I am paying him 2,000 rupees. For first glass of water, I am paying him 2,000 rupees. Why? For first glass I paid 5,000 rupees. Second glass I paid 4,000 rupees, and third glass I paid 2,000 rupees. Why? Law of diminishing marginal utility means, try to understand in Hindi. ओके किसी प्रोडक्ट को, किसी इंसान को यदि बार बार वही प्रोडक्ट दिया जाए, वही फेवरेट डिश दिया जाए खाने के लिए, जैसे किसी का फेवरेट डिश है चाउमीन, यदि उसको रोज लाके उसको चाउमीन दिया जाए तो प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, जो है वो डिश उसके लिए जो है खराब हो जाएगा. मतलब अब वो नहीं खाएगा, उसका इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो जाएगा. क्योंकि टेस्ट, जब तक उसका टेस्ट एंड प्रेफरेंस में चेंजिंग नहीं किया जाएगा तब तक वो उस चीज को नहीं खाएगा. इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनलिटी. राजस्थान घूमने गए, वेदर बहुत हॉट था, प्यासे थे, यदि पानी नहीं मिलता तो हम मर जाते. पहला ग्लास के लिए हमने जो है 5,000 रुपये इसको पेड किया, दूसरा ग्लास के लिए 4,000 और तीसरा ग्लास के लिए 2,000. क्यों पेड किया? क्योंकि मेरा धीरे धीरे यूटिलिटी कम होते जा रहा था उस चीज के लिए. थर्ड ग्लास, उसके बाद वाले ग्लास के लिए हमने बोला ठीक है, बगल वाले गाँव से मैं पी लूंगा, क्योंकि यूटिलिटी धीरे धीरे कम होते जा रहा है. एक ही चैप्टर यदि हम बार बार आपको पढ़ाएंगे तो आपका क्या होगा, यूटिलिटी कम होते जाएगा, अब इंटरेस्ट कम नहीं. ठीक है, एक ही डिश आपको हम यदि आपका फेवरेट बार बार खिलाएंगे तो आपका यूटिलिटी क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे कम होता जाएगा. इसको बोलते हैं लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड another example, another topic. First topic is law of diminishing marginal utility and second topic is substitution effect. This is one substitution effect. Substitution effect means what? Substitution effect. It means what? Another reason why was expect the demand curve to slope downward is the substitution effect. Another reason why does demand curve slope downward is the substitution effect. Okay, how? Try to understand it. The substitution effect is the effect that a change in relative price of a substitute. Okay? Substitution effect is the effect that a change in relative price of a substitute goods has on the quantity demanded. The sum total of income effect and substitution effect is called the price effect. Okay? So try to understand, price effect is equal to price effect is equal to, you see, price effect, E-double-F-E-C-T. Price effect is equal to income effect. Income effect or substitution effect. Okay? How? Try to understand it. Compared to income effect, substitution effect is more important. We have treated the income effect and the substitution effect separately. In fact, they occur simultaneously. It means what? Substitution effect means what? When my income was rupees 20,000 per month, then I was taking tea. Okay? Suddenly my income increases. I am getting 1 lakh rupees per month. My earning is 1 lakh rupees per month. Then I will not take tea. I will take coffee. Tea is inferior goods for me. I will take coffee. Why coffee? Coffee. Who take coffee? Those earning is very high. Those standard of living is very high. They take coffee. Okay. So I'm getting 1 lakh rupees. I'm taking coffee. It maintains your status. Okay. That is called substitution effect. Tea is inferior goods for me. Tea is inferior goods for me. Okay. Nobody is going in the shop of tea. आखिर टी ने ऐसा क्या काम कर दिया कि कोई उसके दुकान पे नहीं जा रहा है? ना ही टी का प्राइस बढ़ा और ना ही घटा, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन चाय की दुकान में लोग जाना बंद कर दिए. What is the reason? Reason is that my income increases and tea is inferior goods for me. I will take coffee only. Okay? This is called substitution effect. Okay? Try to understand. Next topic. Third. Income effect. Income effect means what? Third topic is income effect. A change in demand on account of large in the real income resulting from a change in the price of a commodity is known as the income effect. Okay? Third factor is income effect. My income increases. My income increases. Demand increases. My income decreases. Demand decreases. Okay? When I was getting 10,000 rupees, then I was purchasing very little commodities from the market. Now I'm getting 1 lakh rupees per month. So I'm purchasing more and more commodities from the market. Why? My income increases. Okay? Income increases. Income increases. Demand increases. Income decreases. Demand increases. Income increases. Okay? Demand increases. Okay? Income decreases. Demand decreases. Okay? How? Suppose a consumer is spending 200 on the purchase of an apple. He is able to purchase 2 kg of apple when the price of apple is 100 per kg. Now suppose the price of apple falls 80 per kg, falls at first price 100 and second price falls 80 per kg. Okay, first price, try to understand it. Suppose the consumer is spending 200 on the purchase of apple, he is able to purchase 2 kg. Okay, but suppose the consumer is spending, how much is spending? He is spending 100. Okay, suppose the consumer is spending 200 on the purchase of apple, he is able to purchase 2 kg of apple when the price of apple 100 per kg, when the price 100 per kg. Okay, now suppose the price of apple falls 80 per kg, falls 80, 100 to 80 per kg. If the consumer continue to buy 2 kg of apple as before, he has to spend only 160 rupees. Therefore, able to save 40 rupees. Means income decreases, demand decreases. Income increases, demand increases. Okay, the income is most important factor for us. I have already told the example how कैसे जो है इनकम जो चेंज होता है, ऑलरेडी हमने एग्जांपल के द्वारा बताया उसको. Thanks for watching this video. I will discuss in next video exception to the law of demand. Okay.